and then choose Gaussian Blur, selecting the Gaussian Blur filter in Photoshop. Go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. This brings up Photoshop's Gaussian Blur dialog box. Adjust the amount of blurring that's applied to the highlights by clicking and dragging the radius slider at the bottom of the dialog box. Drag the slider towards the right to apply more blurring, or towards the left to reduce the blur amount. You'll want to keep an eye on your image in the document window as you drag the slider, since the amount you choose will depend both on your own personal taste and on the size of your image, but keep the amount fairly low, otherwise you'll wash out the highlights completely. I'm going to set my radius value to around 8 pixels, the Gaussian blur filter in Photoshop. Adjust the amount of blurring with the radius slider. Click OK when you're done to exit out of the dialog box, at which point Photoshop applies the blurring to the layer. The highlights now appear much softer. The harsh edges of the highlights have now been softened into a glow effect. Step